Hi, I'm Tracy, Head of Membership here at the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland.
I'm Emma, and I'm the Membership Coordinator in the membership team here at the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland.
Associate membership is a simple, flexible entry point into the NMIS membership network. It's a rolling membership designed to help you stay connected with us here at the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland.
It's designed for organisations looking for an accessible way to engage with NMIS, whether you're a manufacturer, startup, consultancy or technical service provider.
As an associate member, you'll receive invitations to NMIS events, workshops and membership sessions. This will help you stay connected to what's happening across our network.
You also get regular insights into innovation activity, emerging technologies and new opportunities across Scotland's manufacturing ecosystem. It's a rolling membership that helps organisations build relationships with NMIS in a straightforward, low-barrier way.
And importantly, it gives you a clear route to stay involved now, while keeping the door open to deeper collaborations in the future.
If associate membership sounds like the right fit for your organisation, the next step is simply to have a conversation with us.
We're here to help you understand the options and find the right routes into NMIS. Why not speak to us today?